Inhale, walk the hands up, and we'll heel toe the right foot over to the left, setting up for a pigeon prep. If this bothers your knee or hips, you can do this on your back by taking a figure 4. So again, you can be on your forearms, you can stretch your arms all the way out, you can make a little pillow with your hands here. You want to keep the hip points facing the mat, so resist dumping onto the right hip and the outer left hip wraps down. Take a deep inhale in through your nose. Exhale, sigh out through your mouth. Let it go.
Fragrance is spread on the ground like a rose. After bathing in the clouds, your magic has worked. My heart is agitated. Queen of my thoughts. A series of
Couple more
small moments
breaths.
has been formed if you come close.
Noticing where you might be holding on to and inviting release of tension there.
Everything opens up, yes, yes, yes. This heart beats only with your name. The heart
Inhale,
beats
we'll lift
only
up.
with your name.
Allow yourself to come onto your right hip for a moment, and we'll take a 90-90 with our legs. This is called deer position. You'll sweep your right hand behind you, right fingertips pointing behind you, and just lift the hips up. So you're coming up onto your shin bones and just getting a nice stretch of the